In the previous lecture, we looked at the slip tool. In this lecture, we will look at the slide tool. Now, they both work somewhat similar, but they give a totally different result. Okay, so now inside the slip tool, you will also find the slide tool. You need to press and hold the tool to get this other tool. Now, with the slide tool, it does not affect the clip that we are selecting, but it affects the clip that is before and the clip that is after. Okay, so now what if we want to reduce the kid playing and increase more of this cathedral, right? So in that case, I can just click on this middle one and drag, and you can see we get a nice visual feedback in the timeline, and also in the program monitor you will notice that the kids playing in the snow, it is not at all changing. Okay, nothing is happening to that clip. The beginning and the ending is staying the same, but the kid who is swinging, and you can see that the cathedral video, they both are getting changed. So now if I move to the left side, you'll see that the kid who is swinging will be trimmed from the end, so the end point will get reduced. Okay, but the cathedral video will get more content, or the end point or beginning point is going to be increased. Okay, if I move to the right side, you can see that now I get more of the kid who is swinging and less of the cathedral video.